Hey guys, it's Jeff at Slavens Racing. We get a lot of people that ask about removing this screen, this restrictor plate that comes on a lot of the KTM models. They're concerned about removing it and having their bike be too loud. So I'm going to let you know what it sounds like. I've got a muffler here with one removed. You know, this muffler's been, this is off 20, but the muffler's been about the same since 17. The mounting's changed slightly, but it's basically the same can, same noise. So you can see that one's got it removed. This one's got it in. I just stuck this one on there. It's not even mounted. I've just got it held on by the spring down there. So I'm going to take this off the seat here so it doesn't fall off. And I'm going to start this up. I think that's pretty reasonable. I mean, that's the way I have my 500. That's the way I had my last 500. And when you're cruising along down roads, you can barely even hear the thing run. And on trails, it's pretty easy to sneak up on people. So it's not offensive by any means. But give me just a minute here and I'll install the stalker with the screen in it. Hold on. Okay, so I've got the stock muffler mounted up now. And it still has a restrictor plate in it. Okay, you know, this one sounds like a sewing machine, and it doesn't get a lot louder when you're riding it. When you're revving it hard, yeah, it's getting some tone to it, but this is as quiet as it gets. So there you go, guys. There's a comparison between the two. All the other ones we have are louder yet. The FMF Q4, the Graves, FMF 4.1, all those are the Yoshimura, they're all louder. So hopefully this helps you make an informed decision on what you want to do. Please like us on Instagram and Facebook. Subscribe to us on YouTube. You know, when you subscribe to us on YouTube, guys, you get all of our videos as soon as they're posted. You don't have to watch them, but it just gives you, lets you know that they're available. And so if you would subscribe, it helps us out a lot. We try to help you. So other than that, get out for some throttle therapy. Winter's not just around the corner, so go out and shred some rubber. That's all for now.